Well, hello guys, Mr. G here with the other video about kinetic molecular theory. This is mostly for the grade 8, but is also applicable for the grade 10s. And we are going to be doing today diffusion of gases. It's going to be a very short video in which you can see diffusion of gases, in which we can demonstrate or prove once more that there are space between the particles, and in actual fact those particles are moving. So for this reaction for this experiment we're going to be using the reaction of copper plus nitric acid. So we're going to be having a gas jar with the nitrogen dioxide. So in one gas jar, we're going to have nitrogen dioxide. The microscopic representation will be more or less like this: a gas jar with just some particle of gas inside. And as we said, there will be obvious spaces between the particle. And in another gas jar, we are going to have air. So in this gas jar, we have air. In one of them, we have nitrogen dioxide, and in the other one, we have air. So we are going to place one gas jar on top of the other gas jar and open the lid. And we are going to place it in this way. Now, what will happen when we remove the lid that is separating the two gases at this point? So let's watch the video and we'll see what is going to happen. Alright guys, so here we have the gas jar with nitrogen dioxide, which it was produced by reacting copper and nitric acid. This is a reddish brown reddish gas. It is a little bit poisonous, so we cannot smell the gas. Now this gas here is in the gas jar, and we having a lid right on top there to not let the gas escape from the gas jar. So we are going to get another gas jar which it looks or appears to be empty, but in actual fact have air inside, and we are going to place the gas jar with air on top of the gas jar with the nitrogen dioxide, and you can see some gas escaping there. Then what is going to happen here is that the particle of the nitrogen dioxide are going to move all the way up to the air, and they're going to be mixing. So the particle of nitrogen dioxide will be moving through the particle of air all the way up, and then the particles of air are going to move all the way down, and they are going to mix. This is, guys, not another indication that there is in actual fact space between the particles and the particles are moving. Otherwise, the particle of this nitrogen dioxide will not be able to mix with the particles of air. So we are going to fast forward this one. We're going to speed up this video as from now, because it can take quite long to see the whole mixing of the particles in here. So I'm going to speed up at the speed of 4 times what is actually happening here. The particles now start mixing up. Why? Because particles are moving, and because there is a space between the particles. So eventually, first you notice that some particles will start mixing in this area here. As you can see, the red particles or the orange particle are moving up, but the gas of the air is also moving down, which is proving that there is space between the particle. Eventually, what is going to happen is that the whole gas is mixed correctly and evenly in the whole containing the whole gas jar. Because all the particles move with each other or among each other, the gas mixed with the nitrogen dioxide in that way. This is also a proving that there is a space between the particle and the particles are moving. But thank you for watching, guys. This is all for now. I'll see you next time. Subscribe for the channel so you can get the notification. Next time we'll be doing something else. Diffusion and this type of kinetic molecular of matter is done for now. But thank you for watching. Mr. G here.